Hello, my name is Peter Ruckel. My student ID number is 01568495. I haven't collaborated with any other student in making this video. Okay, so we're learning, this is video number 4, by the way. This is looking to scatter plot our data here. So graph, scatter plot. Select X and Y variable. The X variable is the high school grad year, Y variable is the age. So you just put those in, you hit compute, but I just made it, so it's right here. The direction is negative because it's going, the slope is negative. The form is linear because it's in a straight line, it's not exponentially increasing or decreasing, or it's not curved at all. The strength is relatively strong. Considering there's thousands of data points, they're mostly all in one line. Okay, next question. Demonstrate how to run the correlation coefficient on StatCrunch and what that number means. Okay, so all I did here was stat, and then summary of stats, correlation, right? And then I clicked on what I needed, which was what was it? Oh yeah, age and grad year. Okay, so I clicked those two variables, and I got negative 0.934, which means they're pretty highly correlated, which also means that they're very dependent on each other. The two variables, the high school grad year and age, are dependent on their negative slope, their correlation there. And then lastly, the question was, okay, demonstrate or predicted GPA of student who's 4 years old by using StatCrunch, stat regression linear. I have no idea how to do this. Stat, regression, and there's simple linear and there's multiple linear. I just try to do simple. I selected the X variable and Y variable, which was X variable is GPA, Y variable is age. I really don't know what else I needed to click on because none of this really makes any sense to me. So I just hit compute from there, and I get this ridiculous set of numbers that I also can't understand, except for some of those on the top. I kind of get it, like the correlation coefficient, which is pretty low, and then the equation, which is here, kind of like in reverse. But so yeah, unfortunately I really don't know how to predict the GPA of a student who's 40 years old by using StatCrunch. Okay, that's it.